Hi, my name is Rick Diamond, and I'm the CEO of CBD Training Academy. And I'd like to just send out a quick invite to our 2-hour workshop on CBD marketing, how to market your CBD business. We will be walking through how to develop your one-page CBD marketing plan. Let me just tell you a little bit about it. It's on June 24th. That's a Wednesday from 12 to 2 Pacific time. And that's actually a $497 workshop that if you get in early, you can jump on board free. So after we finish up here, which will just be another moment or two, I'll give you the details on how you can get registered. So again, this is walking you through the one-page marketing plan for your CBD business. And that really covers 3 key areas: before, during, and after. So before is effectively when you have a prospect. They haven't yet necessarily indicated interest in your business, and there are 3 different areas of being a prospect. It's identifying your target market, and then it's actually crafting your message to that target market, and then figuring out which media that you want to choose to approach that prospect. Then once you've gotten their attention, they seem to be showing some interest, they come to your website, now they're a lead. And there are 3 different segments that we'll be talking about during the lead stage. This is the during stage. And the first is, what is your lead capture system? How are you acquiring the information about the lead? And is it a CRM or customer relationship management system? And how are you tracking it every time you communicate with them? And then what is your lead nurturing system on an ongoing basis? A plan to reach out to them and how to get their attention, and ultimately your sales conversion strategy, how to turn them into a customer. So those are the 3 segments during the middle section, the during section, where they're a lead. And then once they become a customer, this is after, so it's before, during, and after. And during the after phase, we talk about 3 areas. Number 1 is how you can deliver a world-class customer experience. That's critical, because once you're able to do that, then they can become a loyal customer. And so the second is a second segment of the after is how to deliver additional value or create more value so that they can become a loyal customer. And then the last segment that we'll cover on the after is how you can orchestrate a strategic referral system so they become champions and they're actually out there talking about your company and referring people to check out your CBD business. And that is the holy grail. That's where you want to go. So we take you through that entire process, how to create your own one-page marketing plan for your CBD business. It's going to be a great workshop. We've got some fantastic speakers for you. It's all brought to you by ICANN Marketing, and it's hosted by the CBD Training Academy. And you can go to the cbdtrainingacademy.com, and you can go under the courses. There's a one-page marketing course, and that's a $497 course. You can, if you get in early, you can register for free. And that, again, that is on the 24th of June. It's coming up very quickly, and you can register right now by going to that page, cbdtrainingacademy.com. And then under the courses, go to the starter courses, and the first course there is the one-page marketing plan. So thanks. We're looking forward to seeing you. Thanks for your attention, and we'll talk to you soon.